want to know how to transform this string from this to this, then keep on watching. So the hair came in this pack. To be honest with you guys, I've had this hair with me since last year, December, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it. So today I've decided to try and style it like you guys. So this is how the hair came. It has two combs by the side and one at the back. It also comes with adjustable stripes, and yeah. So I actually love how natural the deep part is. And now I'm just going to start off by blocking my hairlines to make it look more natural, and then begin the styling. So now I'm taking my olive oil and mousse, and I'm just going to use this to, you know, style my hair. Okay, just watch me do. So I was trying to go for a finger wave look actually, but I noticed at the back of my wing I have less hair at the back of my wig. Like I didn't have enough hair at the back of my wig, and then I just decided to style it the way I want it to be. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be applying these hair bows and styling and styling and styling. Does that really make sense? Yeah. So just watch me do this, you guys. So yeah, so far so good. This is how the results is looking. It's not actually looking bad. It's not looking bad. So at this point, I actually loved what I was doing. So I'm just going to continue and try to make the rest part of the review like the same. And yeah, I'm just going to still continue styling until I got to my desired taste. So now I'm just spraying in my got to be free spray to seal my look, and after which I'm going to be tying my hair down with the hair scarf. So at this point, I remember that I did cut out my lace. So I just removed the hair scarf and cut out my lace and then tie my hair down again. I allow the hair to stay overnight. Yeah, it's Saturday night and you all know tomorrow is Sunday and it's for church. So I'm gonna be wearing this wig to church actually. So yeah, you guys, it's the next morning and I'm just taking my hair up off and this is how the hair looks like. Like right now everything is super dry and everything is in place. So I'm just gonna take it off my mannequin head and put it on my head. Yes. Though the hairlines look natural, I still wanted it to look more natural by applying my foundation on the party area and yeah to just make it blend in with my skin. So right now I'm applying my Eco Styler gel to slick back my hair and I'm gonna be putting on my wig cap just to see that. So now I'm just gonna use my bottle free spray to lay down my wig just like so. So now I'm just gonna put on my earrings and we're done. We're done, you guys. So your baby girl is all set to go to church. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below on what you want to see next. And till next time, I'll see you all. Bye. Always stay beautiful and always stay safe, you guys. I love you all. Bye.